Good medical morning. Today, we're going to look at dental plaque, like this. Before we get started, make sure to pick up some teeth whitening pens, and I'll tell you more about them in a moment. According to Wikipedia, dental plaque is a biofilm or mass of bacteria that grows on surfaces within the mouth. It is a sticky, colorless deposit at first, but when it forms tartar, it is often brown or pale yellow. It's commonly found between the teeth, on the front of the teeth, behind the teeth, on chewing surfaces, along the gum line, or below the gum line cervical margins. Dental plaque is also known as microbial plaque, oral biofilm, dental plaque biofilm, or bacterial plaque biofilm. And bacterial plaque is one of the major causes for dental decay and gum disease. Let's take a moment to look at some more examples of plaque. So, how do you prevent dental plaque? First, you need to brush your teeth regularly. In a perfect world, you would brush your teeth after every meal. You could also use dental floss, a water pick, or a dental pick on a daily basis. Keeping food and debris from sitting in between your teeth is very important. Also, picking out a good mouthwash that is made for fighting plaque will help. I personally recommend drinking water after meals to help wash out your mouth of food and debris. Out of curiosity, how do you keep your mouth clean and free of plaque? Leave your tips as a comment below. Also, read through the comments to see if anyone has some stellar advice for you. Now, let's take a look at teeth whitening pens. They're great to keep in the car for when you travel, and they're compact enough for a purse and gentle enough for daily use. Take a look.
Have you ever found yourself wanting to whiten your teeth, but those white strips are too inconvenient or too expensive? Maybe they cause gum irritation. Well, I think it's time that you pick up teeth whitening pens. Just brush them on your teeth once a day, and your teeth will be noticeably whiter in no time. Teeth whitening pens don't irritate your gums like white strips, and they're super convenient. I keep some in my car for the commute to work. Put them at your desk, in your car, in your purse, wherever. They're super convenient, and they're less than half the price of white strips. I'll put an Amazon link in the description below. Pick up yours today.